multi-hop communication system.
Introduction. We have inspired by the Tham Luang Cave Rescue in 2018, so we built a low-cost multi-hop wireless communication system for helping disaster victims to send voice and text messaging in caves and disaster areas where pre-existing communication networks fail. Due to no line of sight and limited transmission length of each device, we require device to relay signals to the receiving device. We have experimented with Zigbee, which can form the multi-hop network automatically and dynamically, which controlled by the application we created to be an interface that lets the user sending and receiving the data. Multi-hop communication. The multi-hop communication is the communication system using many devices that can send and receive the data by itself, which in this project use mesh network for helping the transmission of data is better. Mesh network. Mesh network is the system that lets the devices can connect to every device, as you can see in the picture, by sending data directly or pass to the non-target device by choosing another device that high quality signals that makes the data has low loss.
System implementation. We connect the radio module or SIIT3 in 2.4 GHz to the serial to USB converter or SB group development, and then connect to the Android device, which using our application called emergency communication. For the power of the system, we use Android device as the power supply. You see from the picture, the back line is the wire connection between the equipment, and for the red dot line is the power direction.
Emergency communication. Emergency communication is an Android application that we already mentioned before in the previous part. So in this part, we are going to demonstrate you on how it works. For this demonstration, we create a system that has 3 devices in the same network, as you can see from the picture. After we set up all of the equipment, we click on the icon of our application, and this is the home page of our application. Then we need to select the baud rate that match the radio module, which we already set it before. This page will show you the information of the radio module which connect with your phone. To discover the other device that in the same network, we can discover them by clicking on the Remote Device tab and Discover button. When you want to send the text data, you just select one of the device and click the Send Text Data button, then type any text that you want to send, and it will broadcast to every device in the network. You can see the data that you receive in the Receive Data tab. And that's it for our application now.
Conclusion. Due to the failure of the pre-existing communication network and the non-line of sight problem, mesh network is the best solution for those cases. So we create a system by using the radio module that can form mesh network, and then connect it to the mobile phone with using our application that acts as an interface between user and the radio module. For our application, every send text data, it will broadcast to every device in the network, and the number of devices can increase the length of the signal. For instance, if we broadcast the data to another device that far away, it will have some error and delay. But if we add more devices between them, it will make the signal better and decrease signal delay and error. Future research. We plan to develop our application to send and receive real-time voice data and improve the interface design of the application.
Thank you for watching our presentation. ขอบคุณครับ